So today we're installing motion control units on this Freightliner ZF chassis. Keep in mind, if you have a valid air system on your coach with electronic ride height valves, it will not work, the MCUs. So this one does not have that, so we're good to go. First step is to get it on a nice flat level surface. As you can see, we got ours up on the Tony lifts, but just a flat level surface with some 4-inch blocks to keep your coach up in the air enough for you to work on it. It'll be good. Now we can move on to step 2. So now that we got our air springs deflated, we'll go ahead and we'll pull this split loom back. It's covering this line. You get a portion of this line shown. All right, so now that I've got this air line exposed here, I'm going to go and wipe it down with a rag with some brake clean on it. Make sure it's nice and clean. All right, then we can move on to the next step. Now we're going to cut the line. Try and get as close to the airbag as we can. I'll try and get a nice flush cut on that line. Just like that. You can see there it's a nice 90-degree cut. So now we'll take our MCU, we'll push it onto the line till it pops in. Make sure it doesn't come back out. And the other side, give that a tug, make sure it doesn't come back out. And we're good to go. So now that I've got it installed, I'll go ahead and clean up the split loom here. And just cut a section out of it to account for that MCU. Push that back down. Just like so. Alright, so next we're going to check for leaks. So the way we do that is with a bottle of soapy water. And you want to air up your airbags. And go ahead and spray down the fittings on the MCU. Just check and make sure there's no air bubbles coming out from that soapy water at the ends of the MCU. Now that we've got these MCUs installed, we've checked for leaks. We don't have any air bubbles, so we know that these MCUs were installed correctly. If you have an air ride system, we highly recommend these MCUs. They will help you with sway. That concludes this installation. Thank you for watching, and we wish you safer and happier driving.